Hi, good day. This is Kent Lau Chi Yong. Well, in this video, I'll share with you how to. I'm very excited. Alright, I researched and created this QR code. Just click on it, and they create a QR code, and it's all created with the VBA calling to the HTTP object. So what I mean is this. Okay, so we first create an object based on this Microsoft.xml HTTP. And if you don't have this, you need to go to reference to add that, right? To add this object there. There is a HTTP object that you need to add. Okay, so the next thing is that ADO, oh, access database object, something like that. You need to create that stream to return the value. And you can have a file name, set the file name for the QR code. So, and the QR code is just basically this. We make use of the qrserver.com. You can get it for free in this website, gorqr.me. Right. So then, the next thing is that in the data there, I entered my website, creativewise.business.site. Just replace it. So this is my website, okay? And come back to here. There's a QR, and then you call it because it's a get. It's not a post type of HTTP request. And these are the URL, QR URL, and set it to false. Then send it to the server, and we can get back the result by calling bstream.type1.open. So then write it into a HTTP object, and then save it to a file, to this file path. Or you can also add as a picture, right? Calling this, and then where do you want to put to? This is where it requires. It's range E1, and then give it a name, and finally close the streams. This stands for stream, and that's it. That is the code where I use it to copy it. Okay, so delete this, click on it. How cool is that, right? This is the very basics of the QR code creation, and of course, then you can add additional things. This is the basic blocks that you can use to build a list of QR code. So you can have say that this value, okay, and then come over to this list here, and you just put it here. Your use cells is in cell C2. Then you can go to your code there and change it to, instead of the file name, it says QR code, right? You can, based on that, you can use the value you found in C2 dot value. Okay, so now the file name is versatile. Yeah, so it can also be used in this example here, HTTP. So what you need to do is just that, go over here, replace this part with the file name, because it's still the same thing, right? File name, and the file name, I should call this, I think we should call it a different name then, because file name is using that. You can use slash in the file name, so better we call it the URL, website URL equal to this range, cell C2 dot value. And the file name should still remain as example. But website URL, replace here. So the file name is right there, website URL, and I think it's good to go. Let's try it. Let's just delete this item. We'll have this item and then click create. Still it works. And this is the one. Right, so now let's change it to um, www.google.com, and let's create this QR, create device. You should see that the QR change, the QR code change. See that? Okay, once of all, thank you for watching and God bless you.